In this video, I am going to show you how to fix WhatsApp not sending verification code on iPhone. So first of all, open up your iPhone settings and tap on General. In General, you have to tap on Software Update. In Software Update, you have to make sure that your iPhone is up to date and there are no updates available, as sometimes it can be a bug or a glitch that is not allowing WhatsApp to send you the verification code on your device. So once you have checked your software, you have to come back to your settings main screen. Now from here, you have to again tap on General. In General, you have to tap on iPhone Storage. In iPhone Storage, you have to scroll down towards the end and simply search for WhatsApp. My WhatsApp does not have any data, so it is present at the bottom of my list. But in your case, it will probably be on the top. So now on your WhatsApp, you have to tap on Offload app and clear all of the cache and storage which is used up by this application. But keep this in mind that this will keep its document and data in your device. So you very simply have to reinstall the application, and then by doing this, you will be able to easily fix your WhatsApp not sending verification code on iPhone. So everyone, that's pretty much all for today's video. Consider subscribing to our channel for more informative videos in the future. Until then, stay safe.